2019 Honda Civic SI. Really cool car. I love SIs. They were the thing back in the day and they still are. Factory converter there. Resonator delete earlier in the year we did. Then continued 2 1/4. Then we did a rear muffler delete right there. They come usually one muffler here and one muffler here. He wanted to reuse his tips. His tip. So we said, okay, we'll reuse your tip. So we had to do a custom Y pipe on it right there. So when the muffler shop asked for a little bit more money on it for a muffler delete, that's why. There's the crazy setup that these Honda Civics come with. Right there. As you guys can see. It's got a dual in, dual out. Right there. Honda Civic SI. Go ahead and back it out. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let's hear it on the inside. On the Civic SI. And it's standard too.